First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my sulking to the masses, writing my poems. And if you look at me, took me, shook me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain. Taking my message from the pain, speaking my lesson from the pain, seeing the beauty through the pain. You made me